Hi everyone, I'm Joe Brady and I'm here to invite you to join me in the photography kitchen. If you want to learn how to prepare and create delicious photos, you've come to the right place. Join me at a whole new series of live online seminars as we take a journey to mastering the art of image editing. We'll cover techniques from basic to advanced, but in an easy to follow way with step-by-step instructions, just like with a cooking recipe. Let's head into the studio to learn more. To introduce you to this ongoing series of twice monthly live seminars, this class is just $9.95 for an hour-long introduction. We'll use both Adobe Lightroom Classic and Photoshop, and I'll share editing and shaping techniques that will help bring your photos to life. From beginner to seasoned user, everyone's going to learn new recipes that will help you to create better photographs. Don't think you're going to remember it all? To make sure that you have continued access to all of the tools and tips we use, you also get a free recording of this session. I guess it's time to put on the chef hat. Let's see, there we go. So click on the link below and sign up for your spot at the photography kitchen. I look forward to seeing you there. Bye-bye.